The overall goal of the use of cooling-induced deactivations in this study is to assess cortical contributions to obstacle memory in the walking cat.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of locomotor control, such as whether the parietal cortex is involved in memory-guided obstacle avoidance. The main advantage of this technique is the ability to reverse the deactivation. This allows each animal to serve as its own control.
To begin, construct the apparatus shown here, as described in the accompanying text protocol. Next, place the animal onto the testing apparatus while wearing the testing harness to acclimate the animal to the setup.
This leash orientation allows the animal to walk along the central portion of the apparatus without any tension, thus encouraging the animal to remain within this portion of the apparatus. Establishing such boundaries is helpful when working with a moving test subject.
Place soft food onto the food platform, and then set the animal onto the walkway, allowing it to eat from the platform. Ensure that the animal is comfortable with handling, including instances where the animal must be moved to the start area of the walkway. In order to assess visual obstacle memory, raise the obstacle onto the walkway and place the platform on the far side of the obstacle. Then, set the animal at the start area of the walkway and allow the animal to approach the food, stepping over the obstacle with only its forelegs in order to eat from the platform. As the animal continues to eat, lower the obstacle such that it becomes flush with the walkway to prevent any further